Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with the questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The quantitative aptitude section or the QS section that we have seen this year around, we have seen that the papers seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that we have seen asked this year around. They seem to be a little bit on the critical side as well. The questions seem to require an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve and approach them. This in turn increased the the calculation intensity of the questions and also made the paper or section in general more time consuming and in turn increased the complexity of the section. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking a few questions on the paper itself and then subsequently try and solve the same, so that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line in an examination, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So having said all of that, let us focus on the question at hand. So let's start off with number 58 and carry it through to number 60. Okay. In the two types of stainless cylinder, the ratio of chromium and steel are the ratio 2:11 and 5:21 respectively. In what proportion should the two be mixed so that the ratio of the chromium and steel in the mixture becomes 7 to 31, 32. Okay. So 58. So we have say a type A and type B. Okay, we have chromium and steel, again chromium and steel. These are in the ratio 2:11 and this is 5:21. Okay, so if I talk about chromium in general, this is in the ratio 2/13 and this is 11/13. Stainless steel, this will be 5/26 and this will be 21/26. So we can use the method of alligation, and finally in the mixture we need chromium and steel in ratio 7:32, that is 7/39 and this one will be 32/39. So we can take either. So let me show you by taking what to say chromium first and then I'll show you how to go about. So if I take chromium, so we have A, we have B. So chromium in A is 2/13, in B it is 5/26 and we need 7/39. So I'm going to subtract 7/39 by 5/26. This would give us 26, so 78. Okay, 32, 14, 14, 3, 15. So 1/78 and this one 39, 3 is 39, 7, 7 minus 6. So 1/39. Okay, so this is in the ratio of simply 1. So if I take reciprocal, if I multiply these things both by 78, this is coming in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so we need A is to be in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so option A will be my answer in this regards. Now this I have done it keeping chromium, and if I do the same keeping steel, then what we have? So A and B we have, so it is 11/13 and for B we have 21/26 and finally we need 32/39. So 78 we have 2 jar 64 and 3 jar 63, so 1/78 again in this regards. Again this is 39, so 30 through it again 1/39 in this regard. In this regards again similarly the ratio will be 1:2. So either way you could have approached this question, you would have gotten the same result, that is option A. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you how we came about with the same. So having said that, let us move on to the next question, that is number 59. Okay, a sum of rupees 7,000 is divided among ABC in such a way that A share is to B share is to 2:3 and B share A to C share is to 4:5. Find B share. So we are given A by B is 2/3 and what is B by C is 4/5. Now we have to make this value and this value equal. Okay, so let me multiply this by 4 and this also by 4 and multiply this by 3 and this also by 3. So this would give me 8/12. This would again be 12/15. So therefore A is to B is to C will be 8:12:15. Okay, I hope it's clear. So Now what else we do? Why we need to find the share of B. So B share will be 12 by 35 into 7,000. This will be 100. So the answer will be 24,000. Okay. Option C, 59C will be the answer. So I hope it is clear. Next up, let's move on to number 60. In the afternoon, a student reads 100 pages at the rate of 60 pages per hour. Okay. In the evening, she was tired. She read 100 more pages at the rate of 40 pages an hour. What was her average reading of the page? Okay. So, in afternoon, okay, she reads 100 pages. Average rate of reading, okay, 100 pages for at this 60 pages per hour. Okay, now we'll use the concept of time speed distance, where average speed is given by total distance by total time. Okay, so this here will be our distance and this here will be our speed. Okay, so therefore time in this case will be distance by speed, that is 100 by 60 or 5 by 3 hour. Okay, and in evening similar process. In evening we have similar process. Again we have 100 pages and then subsequently we have 40 page per hour. So again time in this regards, again it will be 100 by, so yeah, this by 40, so that would come out to be 5 by 2 hour. Okay, so therefore what we asked, average rate of reading. So average rate of reading, so in terms of total distance we have total pages by total time, that is total page is 200, time is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 2. This would come out to be something like 48 pages per hour. Okay, option A will be our answer. So I hope all these things are clear to you, all the three questions we have discussed. So if you have any doubt with respect to the same, kindly go through the video. They should give you a clear insights on the approach involved. Okay, so having said that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to get in touch with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email IDs and our numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. Any doubt you have with regards to your exam preparation or subject wise doubt, any concept related queries you might have, or you need explanation upon something, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, so with all that said, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.